How to play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox with keyboard and mouse. I'm going to tell you how to play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox using a keyboard and mouse. But there's actually a catch. Rainbow Six Siege on console doesn't officially support keyboard and mouse input, so plugging them directly won't work. If you want to use them, you'll need a third-party adapter like the XIM Apex or Cronus Zen, which tricks the console into thinking your keyboard and mouse are a controller. Set it up by connecting the adapter to your Xbox, plug in your devices, and map the keys using the companion software. Keep in mind that Ubisoft discourages this setup, and using adapters could affect your matchmaking experience or cause input lag. And that's how you can play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox with keyboard and mouse.